you go to touch the zoom in button and instead you hit the record button again. Sorry. Down there, I don't know if you can see it, but there's orange line marking off where we have our first starter garden. So far we've planted in a little bit of corn and green beans. That was, I think, a week ago maybe, and so far nothing's sprouted, but it hasn't really started raining or anything yet, so they're all just kind of just sitting in the dirt waiting. Mom and I are just like praying for rain, breaking out the rain stick, dancing in the night. But so far our plans are to finish the inside of the house, get all of our boxes moved in, because we still have a lot of crap. And this is gonna be the first time in a long time we're gonna get to have a couch, an actual honest-to-God couch. So Mom and I are kind of freaking out a little bit, simply because of how solid we're gonna be living. We don't have to pack up and move again. No more apartment. And we're a good distance out in the middle of nowhere. I mean, not too terribly. There's everything we really need is within 20 miles at the most. And like, even that, what the hell are we going 20 miles from home to get? It's probably going to be something from Walmart. We really had to go to Best Buy. You know, not really anything that's going to be serious. You know, the Dollar General, the Publix, regular grocery stores, gas stations, quaint little restaurants. They're all within really close distance.